Hi friends, Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. This is your Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pulepu. See in exercise 1.1, sixth question in the page number 16. If A is equal to 8 minus 14 minus 5, 3. Verify that A into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into A is equal to determinant of A into I. This is a property. All properties after completing the first exercise, what are the properties and theorems are there, I will do. So I don't want to confuse initially, so I have not done this. After completing the problems, once if you know how to attack the problems, then you will feel easy, comfort means I will go for the theory part. So I don't want to confuse immediately very beginning. So I have not done any theorem parts in initially. I will do, don't worry. Everything in textbook from the first page to end of the page, everything we do. But when we complete that only we don't know. But we do. Okay. See, A in my hand. Adjoint of A, what I told, these two fellows you can interchange. A, B, C, D means what? These two fellows you can interchange. These two fellows you can change the sign. So everything is available in my hand. Then you can find determinant of A also. First you can find determinant of A and keep one side. Then multiply A into adjoint of A. Adjoint of A into A is equal to determinant of A. These two parts you can prepare. Then what you are getting is C. Now determinant of A is equal to what you will get. First you can prepare and keep one side. 8 minus 4 minus 5, 3. So this is equal to what? 8 into 3, 24 minus, already how many minuses there? Formula 1 minus, here 2 minuses, totally 3 minuses. So 20. So keep one side. Determinant A is equal to 4. Ask him to stay here. Okay. Then adjoint of A can find out. Adjoint of A, what I told, change these two fellows. Remaining two fellows you can change the sign. 3, 4, 5, 8. So in my hand everything available or not? Then you can find out A into adjoint of A is equal to, who is A here? 8 minus 4 minus 5, 3. Adjoint of A is what? 3, 4, 5, 8. Multiply. Then this is what? First row, first column, first row, second column. That is old story. So 8 into 3, 24. Then minus 4 into 5, 20. Then 8 into 4, 30, 32, minus 32. Then minus 5 into 3, minus 15, plus 15. Then second row, second column. Minus 20 plus 24. So this is equal to what? 4, 0, 0, 4. This how can I write? Can I write this is 4i? LHS. LHS what I got? 4i. Then go for RHS. RHS what you will do? Shall I buff? Adjoint of A into A. Who is adjoint? 3, 4, 5, 8. Who is A? 8 minus 4 minus 5, 3. Multiply. 3 into 8. 24 minus 20. Then minus 12 plus 12. 40 minus 40. See, AB not equal to BA always in matrices. Not always, maximum. See, in mathematically, one time you fail means everything fail only. So commutative rule is not allowed in matrix. See, then what you will get? Second row, second column. This is what? Minus 20 plus 24. So this is equal to what? 4, 0, 0, 4. So equal to 4 into I. And from LHS and RHS, what you understand? LHS is equal to RHS. Then how can I write? Shall I rub off? LHS is equal to RHS implies A into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into A. These two fellows is equal to what? 4i. Proved. Thank you for watching our channel. Kindly share, subscribe and inform to all your friends. We do everything. Bye.